Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this lecture we will send the email to that particular user that his password. So let me here we have to what to do now. You will see just I want to create the API endpoint for it, and you will see this is method post, and in the body here we have tried to send the email to the server side. So let me copy this, copy it here, go inside API. This is here API. Then inside it, creating the new folder. That is, let me paste it here. Forget password. Then inside it, creating the new file. Here, root dot js files. So inside it, here we have to use the next response from the next server used to send HTTP response from the server root to the client side. Import next. This is not kept. Okay, this one. Next response from the Next.js, and then import db connect from the utils db connect. After that, here we have to importing the mongoose model representing that is the user collections. So this one import here, import user from @ model, then /user. After that, here we will use the library for sending emails via SMTP, that is the node mailer. So that's why here import node mailer. This is a node mailer from node mailer. So this is a node mailer. So also we need to install this library inside your project. So let me go to the Google and search for that one. npm node mailer. This library you need to install inside your projects. This is a here we have to, with the help of this library, we will send your email to that particular user using the Gmails. Make sure that here you have to always go inside your project. This is put up inside my app. You will see it put up inside my app. Here you have to install that library. Then after successful installation, you need to verify inside package.json files, and this one, this file package.json file. You, if you will say that library, it means you will successfully install that one. Otherwise, if you got any error, then you will fix it here. Then here we have the email template of functions. So that function we already here we have written inside your component. Inside here inside forget password, you need to just copy paste, guys. Okay, this one, this code here, email template function, you have to just get from the source code. Copy this, copy it, then go server side here, and simply you need to paste it here and remove this comment. Got it? So just inside it you will get a reset code and the reset link. Now let me close here. So this is the inside it what we have, verification code and reset link. And then after that, here we have to generate a 6-digit code functions. Let me here have to write functions generate here, generate verification code. Then inside it here what we will return here, generate random 6-digit number between 1 lakh to 99999 to be used as a verification reset code. So let's generate it. Is a very simple. You need to just use math functions of JavaScript, math dot random, here random functions, here basically math dot floor. Then inside it here we have to get how many zeros, 50345 plus then math dot random functions. You need to just execute with 9 then 50. Got it. Here we have to just generating 6 digit random number always. Then we have to set here node miller transporter setups for sending the email to that particular user. So let me here if we find the documentations how you can configure this one. So you will see like here we will use here host then port number then this is the node of this one. Let me here. Let's follow the documentations, guys. See documentation. Now node mailers installs here. Then okay, guys. So use here. We will just use this line of code like this one. Here we will create a test account or replace with the real credentials. Okay. So we will use this one. So here let's try to copy it here and then inside it we will make some changes, don't worry. So paste it here, maybe here, create transports. Basically this one, guys, you will use this one node miller dot create transport and then inside it here I am using the Gmail. So basically Google Gmail, with the help of that we will try to send the email to the user Gmail. Then this is what port number. This is port like secure SSL port 465. Then this is secure here. It is true. This is true, guys. Secure it is true. I use for SSL. Then inside that we will write your Gmail email and a specific password. Okay, not in the your regular Gmail password that you are used here. So here we need the email and password. So let first. Okay. So here we need this password and this email. So here you have to just copy paste this link inside your browser. This link you will get within the source code. Copy it, then search here, open browser, then you have to go for that one. Then what you will do here, you have to just make sure it is you. Now it is first verifying and then you will see here your emails here. Let me here we have to create the app name here. To create a new app specific password type name it will use, and make sure that here you have to enter your Gmail email. At this time, we have logged in within this. This is my account. So here you have to copy your email and your password, not my email and password. Then let me. We will create. That is what React, not a React like food food ecom. Create here. Use here. We need this. This is my password. Copy it here. Then let me go to the server side and in place of this one here you will paste it here, and you need to remove the spaces in between this password. And for this email here you will get that email. Let me done. Then you will write here this email. Got it? You will write your email, not my email. Now let me then inside it here. Now we will successfully create a test account or replace with the credentials. So here we have already replaced with all my credentials. You should replace your credential with your account details. After that you need to here we have that is the main API handler functions. Here export routing function, that is post. Here this is export async functions, that is a post, then inside here handle the post request sent to this API routes, and then connect to your MongoDB using your custom utility before queuing the database. And you know that we have already that one, this one, DB connect functions. So just here you have to execute that functions. Await DB connect functions. And then what here you have to do here, pass the incoming request body and restructure the email field here. Here you will get your request, and then inside it here const body is equal to await rec dot json. So make sure that here you have the body await rec dot json, then pass the incoming request body and then restructure the email field. Then if you want, you can console.log for the debugging purpose. So let's do that, guys. So why not console.log? Then inside it, just what here you have to write a body. Also you need to restructure that email const in the body what you have body. Let me again explain this email. Okay, this email basically you get from here, this one, whatever you have typed in the user email, this one, then this email from the client side we will get inside this page here in the body here. With the help of this root here we have that email. With the help of this root we will try to send it here inside API, and then inside forget password you will see inside a root.js file, and you will get here that email from the client side to the server side. So let me we have to check it that one. Try to reset link and check it your terminal, and if everything is fine then you will see here what email. Got it? Now you will successfully get your email from the client side to the server side. Basically this logic we will always use. Basically how to send data from the client side to the server side, just in the body here. Like here we have the form, you know, like category form or your product form here, or your size form, or registration form, or login form, whatever you have data put in this form, like then that email, okay, that data like name, email, phone, password, whatever you have, then all these thing data with the help of this code we will first here creating the API endpoint. Basically here this is a path to the server side where you are trying to send the data, and in the body you will write that form data that you want to send to the server side. You see it, you will always write this is a body, then this is json.string file, and you will put that data you want to send to the server side. So with the help of this API, this is your path. With the help of that path you will get here inside API, and whatever you have your other folders, so you will get your data like this. And then find user and generate reset codes. So first thing here we will create a random 6-digit verification code const here reset code, and your functions you need to just execute. And I here we have already told you we have to just execute these functions. Okay, generate verification. So basically this will generate the 6-digit number. Paste it. Now also you will console.log for the debugging purpose, so you will easily understand everything. Console.log, just what you will write here, reset codes, formatting on document. Now let me check it here. At this time you will see your email as well as your reset code generated by this function, this one. Got it? So let me try here sending, and you need to check your terminal, and you will see you just see a reset code. This is the always generic unique reset code, and you will see your email. Let me again try with that email, and you will see the different reset code. So let me try from the client side reset, and check it your terminal. What we will get here, different reset code but the same email. For it, so I have always generate the unique reset codes. of 6-digit number. Let's move to forward. Then so here we have to look up the user in the MongoDB by email and log that result. So const user is equal to await. This is await and the user collection we have already imported. Find one and then inside it email. Here await user or find one email and if you want to you could console.log for the debugging purpose. Console.log and what we have here you will find it here that user. So I don't know. Basically, I think we have not yet logged in. Use here. So okay. So don't worry about it here. No need of login concept. Just sending your data, sending here, and check it here your terminal. And I think you will see here the user it is a null. So now fine. It is a user it is null. So let me check it here your real database. And this is a full ecom and here we have like 5 users. Then we will try to copy this one, this user inside your database. Now go to the client side and remove this one. Now at this time you will find the user from the database. So let me check your terminal and you will see this one. Now here we have the user, we have the reset code and we have the email. So let's move here. Then handle user not found. Here we have to check the condition if user not found. If not user, then inside it here return next response dot JSONs. Then inside here messages here write messages that is a, if this email exists, this is what exists. Then you write like your email reset link has been sent. So if we found that user, if not found here, if not found, then at this time I will send that messages to the client side 55. It is not 55, it is 200s form document. Now let me check it here at this time what happened. We will use the another email, use fake filler, and you will see now at this time this email you will go out from the server side to the client side. Basically this one, this messages here, this messages means we will get here in the client side here. If we have the data, we will get data from the server side in the data and then dot messages. This means this messages here, this server message I am talking about this messages. So if we have that here, then here we have to set here set success email and at that time in the success message we have the data, then you will render here. Let me check it here from where this one success message here we have to render that message. Got it? So similarly for the year, if you got error, then we will render here that errors. So okay. Now next thing here we have to block the social logins user. Basically, if user is already logged in with social login like Google, then we will block his social login user if the user does not have the password field. Okay, you know that if user is logged in with Google, let me go to the sign in page here. So you know that here, if you are logged in with Google, then here don't need of password. Okay, let me go to the. But if you try to with just normal login, then we need email and password here. Okay, these two things. But if you try to log in with social login, Google logins, then here don't need to enter your passwords. Okay, so why? Okay, that type of user here don't need to like enter the email of your Google logins and try to get to the email. I will block that user from the server side.